Hello, my name is Mikkel Pedersen and I'm the head of R&D for Oerlikon AM, and I'm here to take you on a tour through what we do in R&D. In R&D, we support the full value chain, like you've seen in the other videos with alloy and powder development, process parameter development, or even surface treatment or quality assurance support. But let's go have a look at the stuff we do here. Let's stop here because it's too noisy in there. Everybody always thinks that R&D only prints the coolest parts like this, but actually a lot of what we print are parts like this. Material samples to understand the material behavior and the process parameters that we're developing to make these parts. These are really key for delivering our R&D output. This cube is a combination of two different materials done with two different AM processes. This is the topic of our EU-funded project DISCO 2030. In another EU-funded project, InShape, we're working with beam shaping. These are just two of our projects that we do here in R&D, so stay tuned to learn more.